Hi everyone, welcome back. So, revisiting this green painting that I went over in my head like 10,000 times what I wanted to do with it, and it just has this aura about it. It's like radiating energy, and so I thought maybe I'd do like a superhero kind of thing and have him like Green Lantern or something, and I was like, no, not feeling that right now. But what I am feeling is Anahata chakra, or the heart chakra, and I thought it would be cool to kind of off-center it somewhere around here, as if it was radiating energy outwards, maybe even up here and coming down. I just know it has a lot of energy to this piece. This is on soundboard, so it does have that wavy kind of wooden texture underneath. But yeah, so I thought I'd just do a time lapse of me adding the Anahata symbol, or the heart chakra symbol, kind of off center here, maybe add some extra detail for you guys. So and sorry, I've been sick the last couple of days, so I haven't posted anything. So another reason I want to do a heart chakra, just for that inner peace, that happiness, to try to find some kind of light out of this situation. Okay, throwing this into the time lapse. I'll see you guys after.